Hello, I am English in 1 minute. First of all, you must like the video and subscribe to the channel. Any mistakes or questions, please comment. The lesson on Indian culture. Indian culture is rich and diverse, with a tapestry of traditions, languages, and religions. People from different backgrounds celebrate numerous festivals throughout the year. One of the significant festivals is Eid, which is observed by the Muslim community. During Eid, families come together to pray, share meals, and give to those in need. It is a time of joy and unity, marked by special dishes and vibrant celebrations. In addition to Eid, India is known for its other major festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Christmas. Each festival has its own unique customs and rituals, reflecting the country's multicultural spirit. Indian culture also emphasizes respect for elders, strong family ties, and a deep sense of hospitality. Traditional music, dance, and art forms are integral to Indian life, showcasing the country's rich heritage and creativity.